I think it's been perhaps 3 or 4 weeks now, and my Zippo lighter emblazoned with the mighty Marine Corps symbol is broken. The emblem has come off. So, of course, I could send this back to the factory because Zippo, get this, has a lifetime repair promise on any of their lighters. I repeat, a lifetime repair policy. However, I'm going to do my best to reattach it using a little super glue, gorilla glue, or whatever. But the highest price, the most biggest cost in this thing after the lighter is that Marine Corps emblem. I've got to fix that. Semper Fi, hoorah! Oh, let's see though. After 3 or 4 weeks, time is all the same to me. I wonder if it still works. Let's see. Supposed to light first time every time. Well, my goodness. There it goes. Ready to burn some more brushes and bushes and wreaths. Take care.